Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a very creamy and delicious dessert. It's super fun to make and very tasty. So let's see how to make this simple vanilla pudding. In a large bowl, let's mix in all the ingredients. Here I've used 500 ml of full fat milk. Into that, add in the required amount of sugar. Here I've used granulated sugar, some cornflour, some milk powder, and vanilla essence. You also need 3 egg yolks. Now mix all the ingredients really well and break all the lumps from the powder. Now once everything is well mixed in, strain it and pour it into another pan. Now start cooking this mixture on a low to medium flame till it gets thicker. You have to continuously stir it or else it may get burnt at the bottom. Add a pinch of salt to boost up the taste of this pudding. After cooking for around 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the mixture is getting really thicker. Now at this point of time, add in some butter, which will give a nice shining for your pudding. Now keep mixing it till the butter gets melted. Now you can see our pudding is ready. It got really thick, nice shine and very creamy. Now you can pour the mixture into some molds where you're gonna set the pudding. So here I've used some beautiful silicone molds which I bought it from Agar. As it is silicone, it will be really easy to take out the pudding once it is set. Now you have to refrigerate this for 4 to 5 hours or you can keep it overnight. Now once the pudding is set, take it out and combine it with some fruits and enjoy it. You can see how jiggly the pudding is. And look at the texture, it is so creamy. Now when you take out the pudding from the mold, slightly press on the sides. Then flip it. It'll come out just like that. We really had fun making this pudding. And unmolding it is the most interesting part in the entire process. We can try different combinations like cherries or some mango juice with some sprinkles. Or even some oranges. So try different combinations and do give a thumbs up for this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Do check it out. Thank you.